So what do you think of the construction progress so far, Mark?
We're moving right along down here in McBride in Long Beach. It's going to be a cool little park in a great neighborhood. Right next to the high school. A bunch of kids that live around here. It's going to be sweet.
What do you think of the construction progress?
We're making great progress here. I'm very impressed with the performance of our crew. And we should have this thing wrapped up in about a week and a half.
What features are you most excited about in the park?
Well, we've done a couple of new things here that I'm excited about. We've created something that we're calling the Sushi Pier 7, which is replicates the Pier 7 ledges in San Francisco, but we've done a twist to it and curved it, basically made it concave, similar to a sushi dish. But I think the thing that I'm most excited about is we're doing a replica of a China bank on one side of the park, and we're integrating the initials LBC, the city of Long Beach, into it. And they're about 6 feet tall, these letters are, and they'll be a skatable feature as well as a way to make this an iconic park.
What do you think this skate park does for the city of Long Beach and the skateboard community here?
Well, it gives a place for kids who don't have a lot to do to come and exercise, have fun, and express themselves in a really clean, healthy, wholesome way. And helps bring unity to the community and the neighborhood.
Video. Alright, so what kind of progress have we made up until today?
We have formed up most of the skate park features. All of the precast concrete pieces are set. Shotcrete's going down today. Some of the vertical elements, manual pads have been installed. Our drainage has been installed for the sump in the middle of the skate park to move water. Most of the dirt work is done. What's left is basically flat work, finish work, landscape, and the general contractor takes over from there.